Hello everyone, Tasari here. I have an exciting unboxing today. Oh, I'm so happy about this pair of shoes. So Saks have had their Christian Louboutin sale and designer shoe sale, and I went in and I got this pair of shoes, and it was on sale, so that was even a better deal, right? Love when you get a designer pair of shoes on sale. You can't beat that, right? So maybe I went a little overboard, but anyways, this is the box that the shoe came in. Yeah, and it is the Jenny Pump 150 mm, and it's I got a size 40, and the original price was $1,095, and I got it for, I think, I'll list the price below. I forgot. I can't find a receipt, but I'll look it up and add it in the description. But anyways, let's see what they look like. This is it, like. They are so gorgeous. The color is platinum, and it came with the dust bag and the heel tap and this tissue paper in the box. But let me put these on so you can see how they look. And I love the height on these. This is very, what is it, 140 millimeters, so 6 inches. Yeah, I love high heel shoes. I'm very excited about these bad boys. Cannot wait to wear them out. And I did order some heel protectors, so I can't wait to get those to put on it as well. So let me try the shoes on so you see how it looks on my foot.